Oh, hey, PeaRoy, how you doing, man?
I'm pretty good, Mr. Rick. How you doing? Look, I'm gonna go first if it's all right.
All right, go ahead.
All right, look here. I just want to let everybody know that I got a new channel called PeaRoy Adventures. I've also got a new email address called PeaRoy'sAdventures@gmail.com. All right, PeaRoy'sAdventures@gmail.com. All right.
Oh, you got your own email
I
address
sure
now.
do. Yeah, thank you. And look, you go first.
All right, well, I'll go first. Let's see here. Who won the neck decorating contest?
The neck decorating time? I don't.
Well, I heard it was a tie.
Oh, it was a tie. All right, give me a nerd.
Hey, listen here. Did you know that a dog can't operate an MRI?
No, I guess I didn't know that.
No, but a CAT scan.
A CAT scan.
I know.
Hey, well, what do you do? All right, give me that.
What do mermaids use to wash their fins?
What do mermaids use to wash their fins?
Tide.
I don't. Tide.
Tide is intensified.
Yeah, intensified tide. Yeah, all right. Well, give me that.
Well, the other day I went to a silent auction.
A silent auction.
I won, but I
good.
won a dog whistle and 2 mimes.
Oh. You can't hear neither one of them.
Yeah, right.
A silent auction. Oh, okay.
2 mimes.
All right. I get you. All right. Go ahead. Give me nothing. Give me your last one.
My dog ate my $100 bill.
Oh.
Well, he's got expensive taste.
Oh, he sure does, $100.
All right, I'll tell him a long one.
Yeah, tell you a long one.
All right, well, one time there was this priest, and he was sitting on a subway.
Subway,
And
okay.
in comes this man. Obviously, he'd been drinking, He was stumbling around and
My goodness.
had high perfume smell on him, and he had red lipstick all over him. He had a bottle of gin hanging out of one of the pockets there, and the old priest was sitting there, kind of moved away from him a little bit, and he sat down by the priest.
Wow, my goodness.
And he started reading the newspaper.
Newspaper.
The drunk fella.
Uh-huh.
And the drunk fella looks over at the priest there and says, "Hey, priest, what's the cause of arthritis?"
Cause of arthritis. Huh.
The priest looks over at him and says, it's rough living.
Oh, goodness.
It's doing a bunch of drinking and going out with risky women.
Oh.
Being unresponsible.
Yeah.
Just unbelievable. That's what causes it.
Oh, goodness.
The old fellow with the newspaper looks at him and says, "Huh." The priest started feeling guilty about his answer. He looked at him and he says, "Well," he said, "I'm sorry for being abrupt. And I shouldn't have been mean like that." He says, "Why are you asking?" "Well, I was just reading here in the paper that the Pope has arthritis." Okay, I know.
Oh, that's bad right there.
It's funny. I think it's
Yeah, it's funny, but it's bad. My goodness.
All right, you go ahead and tell your joke.
All right, well, hard work pays off later, but laziness, well, it pays off right now.
Oh, that makes sense, yeah. You gotta be lazy though, right?
Yeah, you gotta be lazy.
All right, tell nothing.
I threw my boomerang a couple of weeks ago, and I'm scared now. Yeah, it ain't come back.
You don't say. Oh, good.
Don't hit me, I'm losing my
Oh,
faith.
come on, man. All right, give me another one.
I haven't spoken to my wife in almost 2
You
years.
haven't?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well, I didn't want to interrupt her.
gonna get us in
yeah,
trouble.
I know that's bad.
All right, give me another.
You hear about the woman that passed out on the merry-go-round?
No, I guess I never heard about that.
Well, she's coming around.
Coming around. That's funny. All right, give me your last one.
Why did the old man fall down in a deep hole?
Well, I don't know why he fell down a deep hole.
Well, he couldn't see very well. He couldn't see
I like that
well.
one now. That was funny. That's good.
He couldn't see well.
All right, give me your long joke.
Couldn't see thee well, I guess. I don't know. All right, one time there's this barber, and he was cutting hair and all. This fella stuck his head in at the door and said,
Okay.
Mr. Barber, how long will it take for you to, before I can get my hair cut? He said, it'll be 2 hours. He said, okay. So, fella run off. Come back the next day. He says, hey, Mr. Barber, how long will it take for me to get my hair cut? He said, you can come back in about an hour and a half. He said, all right.
Okay.
Fella took off.
Makes sense, I guess. I don't know.
So, he stuck his head in and he said, Mr. Barber, how long will it take for you to, before you get to me to cut my hair? Then he said, well, now it's going to be probably 2 hours again. He said, okay. So he took off. He looked there at one of the fellas there in the chair. He said, do me a favor. He said, how about you following that fella and see where he goes? About 5-10 minutes later, the fella comes back and Barber said, well, where'd he go? He said, well, I hate to say, but he was going to your house.
Oh,
That's not good.
That's not good. That's not good at all, man. Oh. Whew. All right, look here. I'm gonna go on. Let you go ahead and tell all your info stuff on your new channel and all. All right. Hey, listen. You have a good weekend. I'll talk to you later. Come on, Coffee. Well, I appreciate it, Mr. Rick, coming around. I always enjoy telling these jokes for you. Like I said there at the beginning of this thing, I got me a new show there. It's called PeaRoy Adventures. If you'll look it up, I appreciate it. Join it, because I got 23 people. I can't believe that. Now, you know, I got a lot of people watching. Ain't nobody joined it. And if you will, every time you watch it, hit like. Whatever that does on YouTube, you know, if you hit me a lot of likes, like on the OAM channel, it sends my videos out so more people will watch it because people liking it, see? All right, so look here. If you got a dad joke, and a lot of y'all do now, I know you do, because people send them in. So now I want you to send them to this address, all right? I want you to send them to PeaRoy's Adventures at gmail.com. All right, I'm gonna put it up right here so you can see it. See it? Right here. All right, look, right here. All right. Make sure you comment and you like it. All right, if you will. All right, look here, fellas. That's all of this show. So I hope you enjoyed the OAM show before this. And look here. If I can keep this up, I'll keep doing it on, see, I put this show on after his OAM show, and then I also put it on separate. And so when they ain't caught up yet, because I just started doing this, but if you will, run over, will you? And check out that channel. Thank you very much. I love you guys.